Who are you?
Give me that case.
No! No!
That case.
No!
Slowly. Can't see anything. Are you feeling better?
Yes. That man.
That man with the mask?
Yes, yes. Who are you?
Give me that case.
No! No!
That case.
No! He has a document. Very important.
I can't let him get away with this.
What? No, it's dangerous.
I will find him. Don't you worry. This must be useful. Because I'm going into the forest. Trust me, I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. Trust me. He has important documents from my friend. This is the place where they fought. Here. These signs are signs of fight. This means I'm getting closer. Let's keep searching. I need to find that case for my friend. Here. I see footprints. This means that bad guy with the mask went that way. I'm getting closer. Here. Look. This must belong to the bad guy. He went this way. I see it's the only way. So, let's go there. I think this is the only way. And I'm getting him. I'll get him. I can't let him escape. He has important documents from my friend. Look. What is this? He was here. I won't let him escape. What is this? A trap. It looks like a trap. This guy is he's trying to slow me down. But I won't give up. Oh no. What? Oh no. Oh no. What is this? How can I get out of here? Come on. It's a trap. this rope. This is it. Yes. He's trying to slow me down. He's trying to slow me down, but I won't stop. This trap didn't stop me. I need to be more careful. This must be it. Hello? Anyone here? What is this place? Hello? Anyone here? What? What is this place? What is this? Such a mess. Such a mess. What is this? Is this the place where the bad guy was? What is this? What? My friend's case! Finally! I found it! Let me see. Oh no! It's empty! I can't believe I found just the case! The documents! They're gone! Oh no! What? Oh no! Come on! I can't believe! Another trap! Oh no! Let me see this window! Oh no! I need some help! Help! Someone! How can I get out of here? Unlocked. Maybe I can call someone. Let me try this. Please answer me, answer me. What? Oh, no sign. There's no sign inside this place. Come on. Oh no. What am I gonna do now? Oh no. Now I can get out of here. Come on. You must open. Stop! I can see you! This won't stop me. Anything. I can't see anything. What? So much smoke. Too much smoke. What's going on? Come on, come on. You can't run forever. Man, Another trap. What? Another trap from this guy. You won't run forever. You will not escape forever. I can't see him anymore. He's gone. Wait. What is this? A map? Aha. This is a clue. An important clue. This isn't over. I will find him.
Oh, you are safe.
I'm okay, but he escaped again.
What happened?
He set 2 traps for me. Slowly. I can't see anything. He left this behind. I think it's a clue.
Where does it lead?
I don't know yet, but I will find out.
It's too dangerous.
No, I can't stop now. I'm sure I will find him. Ha 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 ha. I have the documents. They will never get